Well, good morning. Summer is here, and the heat wave and high temperature in Iraq is unbearable. However, you have to set specific goals to achieve during summer, whether these goals are learning vocabulary, pronunciation, or focusing on certain grammatical issues that you struggle with. Eventually, you're a regular learner. You learn like anybody else. Build your vocabulary and improve listening by scaling up listening to something you understand and move one step further. Challenge yourself in a way that you can manage the amount of vocabulary that come into your ears. Don't exhaust your ears with only things you do not understand. Focus on things you understand and scale that up. Language escalation improves your potential ability to speak English professionally. We cannot be native speakers, but we can be professional English speakers. You can also explore online courses, but I really think when it comes to learning from free sources online that YouTube actually is the best institute in the world to teach you any kind of skill that is common in society. I really encourage you to subscribe to my channel and to my fellow friends' channels who are content creators of English lessons. Don't focus on one person in particular. Try to get a sense of the courses offered and then scale that up. Have a wonderful day.